Hey guys, happy Thursday and happy payday. Yes, payday na naman here in Live Good. And as you know, weekly ang ating payday here in Live Good. So kung isa ka sa naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan online guys, Live Good ang maire-recommend ko sa iyo dahil unang-una this is global, no? Open ito worldwide sa lahat ng countries, no? At napakadaling mag-register guys, no? One click registered, you get your referral link, you get your affiliate link, and mind you, 8 website po ang matatanggap natin here, kaya it's up to you to pick which one you will succeed, ano? And also ang product po natin, we have high quality product at affordable prices. Yun ang talagang kakaiba kasi para kang kumukuha sa manufacturer. So anyway, may product kami and hindi naman po tayo binibigyan ng pressure, no? Wala po ditong quota, wala ditong tinatawag na packages, no? It's up to you when to buy and when to sell. Ganun po kaganda ang Live Good, no? Kaya napakarami, dinagsa ito ng tao. 2 million members na po in just a very short period of time. Yes, kaya kung ngayon po kayo sasali or magjo-join dito sa Live Good, guys, you're in the perfect timing, okay? Kasi alam nyo po, sa ganitong business, napakahalaga ng timing. Yes, kaya maraming negosyo na medyo syempre naglalaylo yan at the period of 5 to 10 years. Pero ayun, alam nyo guys, napakaganda kasi ang Live Good, would you believe, 40 products na po meron ang Live Good. And ang maganda, almost every month mayroon tayong nala-launch na products, no? Nakakatuwa. Nagulat din kami kasi nung mag-join ako sa Live Good 2 years ago guys, actually, ang product lang yata nun ay 7, no? 7 or 9, something like that. And nagugulat ako, lahat halos ng binibili kong products from other companies or, you know, Amazon or in the grocery store, nandito na lahat sa Live Good. Kaya tuwang-tuwa po ako. Okay? So, by the way, my name is Lola and ako po ang inyong tita and tita na Lola pa here in California. For sure, tutulungan ko po kayo on how to start here, on how you grow your business po here in Live Good. Unang-una, ito po yung mga favorite product ko na ini-endorse, like itong coffee, na mushroom coffee po siya. And actually, itong mushroom coffee, guys, talagang napakasarap, no? I've tried all the other mushroom coffee here in social media, in TikTok and anywhere. Wala pong kasing sarap itong ating coffee. This is 6 mushrooms in here, kaya talagang it helps your brain function, way management din po ito, maca for mental clarity, green tea, matcha green tea for brain functions, no? And other, you know, it works with your inflammation, and weight loss coffee po ito dahil green tea extract po ito. Ang coffee po nito is not roasted. Kasi alam naman natin ang roasted, that will give you acrylamide, yung cancer producing chemical na yan, cancer chemical, no? So avoid po natin yung mga roasted, no? So ito po ay green bean, coffee beans extract po. Okay? So napakasarap, linamnam, no? Masarap at malinamnam, halos parehas lang yata yon. So, $17.95 pang po sa member. And I think 24 sa retail. But anyway, you can check this from my store. Maybe I can place it here or the link on the comment or over here, guys. So, yung negosyo talagang napakaganda kasi yung drop shipping. So, what it means by drop shipping, hindi mo kailangan bumili. No pressure to buy. So, and no pressure to sell din, no? Yun ang kagandahan. Bigay mo lang ang link, ang referral link, ang store link mo sa iyong mga customer here on social media. And once they click it, matatanggap na po yan ng company. And sila na po ang bahalang mag-ship ng products all over the world. Okay. Pero alam nyo guys, kaya ako nandito sa Live Good, actually, the products na inintroduce sa akin nitong aking mentor or not mentor, is sponsor, no, na alam niya na mahilig ako sa green tea. So bumibili ako sa Whole Foods, sa Sprouts, and in all grocery stores. Dati, ang binibili ko sa grocery store, yung napakamahal na Organifi. So, $64 po yun. But here, mas maraming laman, mas maraming ingredients, no? Almost 30 plus ingredients there. Talagang magugulat ka na wala dun sa dati kong binibiling 64. How much is this? This is only $18. 1.8. Guys, wala pang 1,000 pesos. Well, 980 pesos lang po ito. And magugulat kayo sa laman nito kasi nandito na lahat ng gusto ko. Barley grass, moringa, dulse, chlorella, spirulina, alfalfa, aloe vera, dandelion, lahat po ng antioxidants, no? Hindi ko na mabasa yung iba dahil sa napakarami na pong dinagdag dito. And i-check nyo na lang po sa aking website. Makikita nyo talaga yung mga antioxidant berries, for gut health po ito. So, ang specifically, this is immune booster, gut health, detox, no? Nandyan na po yan. Stress support, nandyan na po yan. So, this one product, I'm sure, nako, maganda ang feeling ninyo at kung ano man ang nararamdaman ninyo. Marami pa po kaming products na talagang magugulat kayo ang effect. Marami po kaming natulungan, yung mga anti-inflammation, heart health, no? Number 1 pa din po itong heart health. Ito po, lahat tayo may heart, guys, okay? Lahat tayo may heart. So, kailangan nating proteksyonan. Alam nyo naman, very deadly ang heart attack. So, super reds po for sexual health din ito, cardiovascular health, and yung ating circulation, no? Brain and cognitive functions, no? Yung mga nagkaka-dementia na dyan. Baka ito lang ang kailangan mo para tumakbo yung iyong ugat or blood sa iyong all over your body, no? This tandem. By the way, bago ako matapos, meron po kaming international pack, which is $99.95, and that is 6 products, no? 6 products, and wala na pong shipping yung $99.95. Makukuha nyo ang 6 products namin na nakakaiba, no? So, sana i-check nyo sa aming website, guys. $99.95 sa ibang company na binibilang ko, that will cost you $400. Yes, $400 sa ibang company. So, dito, $99.95 for 6 products, guys. Ang tawag namin doon ay international pack, no? And again, hindi kayo pinipilit bumili. Join the membership club or join the affiliate club. It's up to you to choose kung ano, saan ka nagagaanan. But I'm telling you guys, join both dahil napakarami pong benefits and you can really earn here weekly. Alright? So, once again, medyo matatapos na po yung aking video. This is your Coach Lola. I'm retired civil engineer from the Armed Forces. I'm also running my own business for more than 15 years now. Siguro makikita ninyo yung LA Web Design Pro here in LA, and I'm helping a lot of Filipinos here in the US and around the world who are seeking for e-commerce business. Nagbibigay din po ako ng free website sa lahat ng ating member aside from the website na ibinibigay sa atin ng Live Good. So, I hope to see you guys. Marami kaming free products, and message me kung gusto nyo makatanggap ng free products. Okay? Okay, napakababang negosyo. Only $40 one time, guys. Sa'yo na ang website for the rest of your life. Walang expiration yan. Okay? So, I hope to see you, or I hope to talk with you soon, guys. Okay? God bless you all. Join us. We are the Global Income Builder team, guys. Okay? Join us. Thank you for watching. Please share and comment below. God bless you.